Welcome back to the ClearCryptos YouTube channel, everybody. The big question in this video we're going to tackle is, where is cryptocurrency going in 2023? This is very important because we're in our final month in the cryptocurrency market in 2022. We have a very big Federal Reserve meeting coming up not too long from now, right in the middle of the month here in December. The expectation is we're going to see a 50 basis point move, which could provide some relief, or what's also known as a relief rally within a bear market for the overall crypto market and stock market. However, the big question is, if we do get a relief rally, will it last into January, February, March, April of next year? There are two schools of thought. Number one, people think that the bottom is in of the cryptocurrency market, and we're going to slowly consolidate and slowly go up over time. Another camp believes that the Feds will start to ramp up monetary tightening next year again, and things will get super aggressive in terms of rate hikes, and we could see more pain in the overall markets in the short term. So what I like to do is prepare for the worst, hope for the best. So I am looking at the start of next year in 2022 to be very, very volatile and very, very rocky. However, if the Feds do get aggressive in 2023, in the first half of 2023, I do think the back half of next year could actually provide us some relief, and we could be out of the darkest days of this crypto winter. So with all that being said, we don't know exactly what's going to happen. So as a cryptocurrency investor, you have a couple different ways you can attack this. If you're looking to accumulate, you can always dollar cost average, right? And you could slowly dollar cost average right now and ramp up your allocations if prices get lower. That's kind of what I like to do right now. I do buy a little bit of Bitcoin and Ethereum every single day still, personally. And by the way, that's not financial advice. That's just what I do. It's just one strategy. But if prices do get lower, I do dollar cost average more on those low days, right? I don't try to time the market perfectly for me. Now, I do some trading a little bit. Now, when you're trading, that's a whole different equation, right? But we're only focusing on just being long on cryptocurrency. The other thing you could do is be patient. Don't open your crypto app. Don't trade on emotions. And don't do anything that you're going to regret 2 to 3 to 4 years from now, because the cryptocurrency market will come back when the overall markets come back at large, when inflation is under control, when we get out of our recession that we're in. They will come back. So just have that faith. You can just hold, buy when you have a little extra money if you want, and not really worry about where the prices are right now, because they're all depressed given that we're in a bear market. So in 2023, again, to recap, I'm looking for a rocky start, but hopefully a nice turnaround as we enter month 5 and 6 next year, as we get into May and June. Hopefully the worst is behind us. Of course, we'll be keeping tabs on this for you throughout the entire year in 2023. Make sure you're locked into this channel for more content like this. Let me know what you guys think about all of this down below in the comment section. Appreciate you guys stopping by. We'll see you in the next video.